It is no secret that the summer heat sucks. But in Suzhou, how intense is it? With temperatures soaring to 40 degrees for weeks on end, it's a real challenge to stay cool. But beyond the chilled drinks in the fridge, what else can help us beat the heat? Today, we are diving into Suzhou's summer essentials by trying two of the must-eat local foods that are perfect for the summer season. For our first specialty food, we will have the Suzhou style Mung Bean soup. The special dessert has always been really controversial. People who like it will say it is happy water, while those who dislike it will say it tastes like toothpaste water or kitchen waste. Because the weather is too hot, people easily have no appetite. This Suzhou style Mung Bean soup is sweet and cold. I personally like it very much. It can be taken as a dessert or as a meal.
Cold. Thought it would be hot. It's a little like candy. Like peppermint.
In other parts of China, people also drink mung bean soup in the summer, and the common method of making this dish is to simply boil the mung beans with water. However, one of the distinctive features of Suzhou style mung bean soup is the addition of various small ingredients. This red thing and this green. It's really common in Chinese dessert, and you can also find this in some mooncakes inside. And this is made from radish.
Really?
Yeah, it's made from radish, and they made this color red and green just because they want to make this cuisine look more delicious. What do you think?
Well,
Is it weird?
no, it's not weird. Some of these things, like little green, there's also a red one with the rice. Overall, I don't think it's weird, but it's a little refreshing because the soup or the water is cold. And I am partial to cold food and drinks because I prefer cold. So for me, it's not weird.
Okay, then we are friends. 太好笑了。The most important part of this dessert is mint water and sticky rice. You can choose any small ingredients according to your personal preferences. Mint and various ingredients are the main reasons why someone might dislike Suzhou-style mung bean soup. Some restaurants also allow you to pack it into cups, and you can drink it with a straw, which is really convenient for takeout. If you come to Suzhou in summer, I highly recommend you to try this special local dessert.
It has Russian and Korean on it, and Japanese. Russian, English, Korean, Japanese, Chinese.
It's really an international drink.
I guess.
Yeah, this one. And we arrive at the peak time. Lunchtime. Well, let's see. Besides Suzhou style mung bean soup, There is another food that locals must eat in summer. That is fan cold noodles.
哦，这里是吧？风扇冷面上面那个浇头有选的吗？
对呀、
浇头可以
跟上面的一样。
跟上面一样是吧？那如果不选的，就是默认一个搭配吗？
没有
没有
默认的。
没有默认，就只是面，面就是面是吧？
对呀
懂了懂了。Well, you need to choose the topping. So, 我们要2份风扇凉面，然后浇头的话是选上面那些吗？
虾仁肉丝、
虾仁肉丝。
牛肉辣酱，
哦，有没有不辣的？
不辣，微辣，
红烧牛肉那种可以吗？
可以啊，
可以是吗？
就是单椒红烧牛肉。
哦，好，单椒红烧牛肉一个，然后我要一个，哎，有没有那个毛豆茭白？
没有
现在没有啦。
对对，
我记得那个不是最好吃的吗？
最好吃没
那我选那个雪菜扁煎肉丝。对，好的，就这2份。好的。No second floor 去那里取面。
Too crowded for me.
The special features are that the noodles are slightly yellow in color, and the flat noodles are made with dark eggs and alkaline water, which allows them to taste better. Why is it called fan cold noodles? Generally speaking, the most common way to cook noodles is to boil them and then take them out to rinse with cold water. In Suzhou, the method is to use a fan to cool the noodles, so that they don't need to be soaked in water, which makes the noodles taste more chewy and refreshing. It is said that many old Suzhou people's memories of summer are sitting at the dining table eating cold noodles while blowing electric fans. The classic toppings are green pepper, soybeans, and shredded pork. Unfortunately, they don't have this topping today. Now, there are many other choices for toppings, so just choose whatever you like.
是他给我酱汁吗？真的。
应该是吗？
你们他们在31年在这里，然后3年在店里。
3年在
过天街。
哦
35年了也。
刚刚老板说38年了。
今年39年了。
39年了。哎呦。
You know what is the most ironic thing about this video? We had the intention to come make a video about ways to cool off in the summer heat here in Suzhou, and it's raining. So I think there's probably no better way to cool off in this summer heat than with a little bit of summer rain. I was not expecting this. It wasn't in the forecast, but we got it, so great way to cool off. The Suzhou rain is heavy. I feel bad for anybody that didn't bring an umbrella, aka us. No umbrella, no anything really.
No raincoat.
Yeah.
Walking along this street, you will find thousands of girls wearing the traditional clothes or the, I don't know, the flower on their head. And so many photographers.
每个人有10种的。
Seems there is a market here. Now it's all empty. Oh. These small mountains. Yeah, now we come to a really popular commercial street. Thousands of people again.